Sunday morning. Wifey sweeping up right now. She got the butter sauce skin with the glow. And I'm talking my shit. Look, black man's God, why desire for the middle? Hashtag pause, I'm inspired by the civil war. Why they always trying to keep us little? More or less we rich, so they silent when they kill you. It's all in the book, that's the vitamin to fill you. I let the product cook, but my environment is simple. When I figured out that they aspiring to steal you, I was reading up with pharmacists desiring to pill you. In the name of business, but my native interest wasn't violent, so I took my time and found a venue and out it like a pen. The pad is what I vent to, my outlook is the fan. What my culture lent you, what they do, what they did. They turned around and infiltrated what we gave, rebuilt the shit to pimp you. Listen, they rebuilt the shit to pimp you. They sold an image violent and packaged it with pistols. Yeah, that's a requirement to rap and be successful. Never seen a gangster, but they momming in that stencil. Takashi is a lane or a genre that they into. It's all about the fame, not about the skill essential. Man, I'm so tired of this pencil. We gone though. Jeez, time to sharpen up, man. The dog pencil has a tough time writing legibly though. Be water. The skill is inherent. Jeez. My wife just looking at me. Listen to me write this. Shaking her head in disbelief. The power is inherent. She still can't believe how nice I am. This is power, baby. I told her your husband got bars, baby. I told my black queen, your husband got bars, baby. Let me talk my shit.
Everybody told me don't come down. Y'all don't want to know how many motherfuckers told me you go there and they gonna kill you. Straight up, these supposed to be people that had my back. And I said, you know what? I don't believe that shit true. I'm a child of y'all. And I didn't put myself on this mission. He did. So I figured if I'm supposed to come down here and get killed, that's the way the book is written. You can't escape your destiny. I'm either gonna get killed here, or I'm gonna get killed somewhere else where they fucking up. But I'm cool with that. You know why? Serving, job well done. Alright? I'd rather die for one of y'all than to die over some bullshit. So I'm here. The only language they understand is this shit right here. So that's what I found out. Man, this shit was all over the fucking news. Everybody I don't want no fucking praise. To all you other motherfuckers, I smell pussy.
All day.
So that's what I found out. I found out that a lot of you motherfuckers just talk. For what? For what? So next time we do this shit, we gonna find out again who real and who just like to sit behind their phone and talk shit. That's what I found out. And y'all the realest motherfuckers out, but man, I love all you, man. 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 I love all you, man.